Hey everyone, Hamster Kombat is set to be listed on the 26th, and in this video tutorial, we're showing you exactly how to connect your OKX exchange to claim your Hamster Kombat airdrop. If you've been wondering how to do this safely and easily, just follow along with this step-by-step tutorial until the end. First things first, if you already have a OKX account, make sure you've completed your KYC verification. This is super important. You'll need to verify your account using your ID, so make sure to have that ready. Once your KYC is done, you're good to go. Now let's dive into linking your account. Open your Telegram and navigate to your Hamster Kombat channel. Tap on the airdrop section. Here you'll find various exchanges you can use for the airdrop. If you're using an on-chain wallet like Keeper, you won't need KYC for that, but for Binance, Bybit, or OKX, KYC is a must. Now from here you'll be prompted to choose your exchange. Select Binance, Bybit, OKX, or whichever one you prefer. For this video, I'm going with OKX. First, select OKX. It'll ask you if you have a OKX account. Click Yes, I have it. If you don't have one, you can register and complete the verification process. Next, it'll ask for your OKX UID, deposit address, and memo. So let's go ahead and get that from OKX. Now open your OKX mobile app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, you'll need your OKX UID. Here's how to find it. In the left corner, you will see these points. Click on it. Here, at the top of the menu, you'll see your profile. If you tap on that section, you'll be taken to a page where your full UID is displayed clearly. This is the user ID you'll need. Simply copy the UID by taping on it. Go to your Hamster Kombat app and paste the OKX UID you just copied. Next, we need the deposit address and memo. Let's go ahead and get that from OKX. Once you're in, tap on the Assets tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see an overview of all your cryptocurrencies in OKX. Select Deposit. Next, select Deposit Crypto. Once you're on the deposit page, search for Hamster Kombat using the symbol HMST. Click on the Hamster Kombat token and make sure to select the correct network. In this case, TON. Alright, you'll see your deposit address and memo. Both the memo and the deposit address are required. Without the memo, the transaction won't go through. Copy your address first and head back to Hamster Kombat. Paste the address in the field provided. Then, go back to OKX, copy the memo, and head back to Hamster Kombat, then paste that in the corresponding field as well. Once you've added both the address and memo, double-check that everything is correct. Once verified, click Save and Choose, and that's it. You've linked your OKX account to Hamster Kombat, and you're now ready to receive your airdrop on launch day. Finally, wait for the airdrop to be distributed to your OKX account. You'll be able to claim your tokens on the 26th, the official launch day. If you're planning to link other exchanges, you can do so by following similar steps. I explained the steps for Binance and Bybit in previous videos. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.